Hi, I'm Danielle and I am an estimator at Kind Home Solutions. My favorite thing about working at Kind Home Solutions is the company culture. Everybody is really positive and supportive. Everybody really cares, and I think it's rare to find an entire company of people that all really share the same values and care about each other so much. I think that's huge. I love playing pool. I've been playing pool for probably like 5 years consistently. I play on an APA league, and I also really enjoy kayaking, camping, outdoorsy stuff. What kindness means to me is taking a step back and slowing down and really taking the time and the energy to figure out what's going on with somebody and taking the time to really figure out how to help the best way you can. My favorite thing about our clients is that they're so diverse. I feel like on every appointment that I go on, I hear a new story, get to meet a new kind of person, get to meet their pets, which is huge. I'm such an animal lover. Yeah, I just have a new experience with each client that I meet, I think is awesome. Favorite TV show, hands down, is The Office. It's the funniest, it's the best. Team Jim for life. What clients should know about me as an estimator, and really all the estimators in the company, is that we really take our time with our clients. We're not gonna do the estimate in 10-15 minutes. We're really gonna take some time, point out the issues on the house, make sure that we're doing everything the right way the first time. We're not a turn and burn company, so all of the estimators are really gonna take a good amount of time to make sure that our clients are comfortable and that everybody's kind of on the same page about the project, and I think that's pretty cool.
Thanks for watching our video. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We look forward to working with you in the future.